Good afternoon, children. Welcome to 3D Print Club for 6th through 8th graders. Today you are going to learn how to log into a site called Tinkercad. If you've never used Tinkercad, there's going to be a class code that you're going to enter, and I'll walk you through that today during the club. But those that have already opened a Tinkercad account do not have to go through that process of making a new account. Alright, so when you start Tinkercad, you always want to go www.tinkercad.com, and from there you can either sign in or join now. So if you do not have a Tinkercad account, you're going to click join now. You're going to enter the country where you're from. Come on, there we go. Country where you're from, your birth date, and from there, you're going to create an account with your email. So you type in your email here, then you type in a password here, create an account. If you're a minor, then you're going to have to enter in other information. But once you enter my class code, you are verified and able to use Tinkercad because I'm a teacher. I already have an account, so I click sign in. So username is my email, password, and I'm in the main page right now. Just keeps on zooming in and out. Alright, so like I said, you're going to start with learn. Go to the starters, starting with place it. And you're going to work through all the starters until you're ready and familiar with how to use Tinkercad. So some things that we're going to be doing this year, we're going to be incorporating ancient technology using Tinkercad. I'm going to give you mini projects each time we meet for clubs. After today's meeting and you getting your account set up and familiar with everything, there's going to be a focus for each meeting. So we'll start with ancient technology. We'll talk about like architecture, cathedrals, bridges, water wheels, catapults, that kind of stuff. We might even talk about gears and how to create gears and all that fun stuff. So there is going to be more of a focus this year. It's not just going to be about making nameplates and things like that, although those are still fun when you're getting familiar with Tinkercad. One thing that a lot of students ask is, how does the 3D printer work? Well, basically it works like a giant hot glue gun that is programmable. So the nozzle that you see in the video is heated up to around 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and that eventually melts the plastic into a malleable form, and the plastic is bonded together as it cools, and it cools pretty quick. The build plate is heated so that the object stays stuck to it, and it just creates a pattern and pathway when you place it in the Cura print software. So right now it's printing door stops, which is pretty cool. A lot of teachers ask for these because they see other teachers with them. So that's what's going on right now, and it's going to take about 10 hours to print these. So each print, depending on how thick it is or how large it is or tall it is, can take a long time to print. Midair, so I had to undo it, take it apart, rebuild it.